Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Okay, I don't know how much you got to see until the phone went dead that we had. This house is doing really well, and it's just not level. It has not been level since it was set in, I guess, 1994. So what they did, and now it has brick all the way on two sides, and a deck on this side, and a garage on this side, and an addition on this side, and a porch on this side. What they did is they set this corner, or this end, 4 inches higher than this end. Okay, and if I jack up here, there's a garage here. We'd have to cut the garage loose and change the roof on the garage. And if I go down here, I'd have to cut the porch loose, cut the addition loose, cut the decks loose, all these things that are connected. So I had to talk with them. We're gonna go straight like it has been from one end to the other. And there's this area in the middle that's down, and shows in the floor, not in the frame of the mobile home. So we're going to raise the middle of the floor up so that it looks better. It's not still 4 inches from 60 something feet from one end to the other. It's 4 inches out of level. But in order to fix that 4 inches, I would have to spend a lot of money to do it. So they decided, like I would, to go ahead and deal with that and try to get the floor right. So that's what we're doing now, and we're getting ready to go into there and jack up a bit until we start hearing creaking and popping that shouldn't hear. And get that up an inch is what I suggest.
Which shouldn't be too hard.
Not with a 20-ton jack, something's going to give. So that's where we're heading now, and I'm sorry that we didn't have the other phone going. Most of the underneath this house is in great shape. Got concrete runners. We got 1 crack block and 2 or 3 piers that are loose. No leaks. We're going to measure the ductwork because it has an original flexible ductwork, and usually that is got holes in it because of where it touches the ground. And we're going to fix the sewer line where it's down in that one side I was showing. And we're going to do all those things, and later on we'll come back and fix the ductwork. Put in metal instead of flexible, and then they're in a good spot. I mean, it's out of level, but I could have, not told the truth and said, oh yeah, everything's fine, but it's not. It's not the end of being able to live comfortably. So we're gonna go under here and do those things. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.